Estimate square root to the nearest integers. This problem is show your work problem. We have to show the steps. So for that, what we have to do is square root of 81. What is the square root of 81? 9 we know. Square root of 100 is 10 we know. So what is the square root of 87? So square root of 87 is 81 is less than 87 and 87 is less than 100. That means 87 lies between 81 and 100. So square root of 81 is 9 we know. Square root of 87 we don't know. We are going to find it. Square root of 100 is 10. That means our 87 will be more than 9, less than 10. So now we will draw the one scale from 9 to 10. So this I will take 9.25. This is 9.50. This is 9.75. So this is 81 is close to 87. So they are close. So let me square of 9.25 square. What is 9.25 square? 9.25 into 9.25. 9.25 into 9.25. How much we are getting? We are getting 85.56. It is almost nearly equal to 87. If we take 9.50, it will be more. So therefore, square root of 87 is how much? Square root of 87 is 9.25. We can't write equal. This is this side, the till one, nearly equivalent to. So 9.25. One more problem. We will go for this also. And we know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root 25 is 5. Square of 25 is 5. Now we know this 20 lies between 25 and 16. Now if you find the square, let me take this color. So square root of 16 is 4, less than square root of 20, less than 5. That means it lies between 4 and 5. So now draw the scale. 4, 4.25, 4.50, 4.75, 9. So this is 20 is near to 25. So I will take this thing. If you square 4.50 into 4.50, we will get 20.25. 20.25. So almost 4.50. The square root. Square means 2 times you have to write. You see 4.50 square. Suppose if you go for this, now we are going for cube root, power 3. If you go for cube root, see here, cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 125 is 5. So what will be this? So 64 is less than 100, 100 is less than 125. Now we are cubing. Let me put the cube root, cube root, cube root. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 100 we don't know. We are going to determine it. Cube root of 125 is 5. So our scale, if you draw the scale between 4 and 5, our value lie between 4 and 5, 4.25, 4.50 and 4.7. Now if you see 64 and 125, just it should be 4.50 or it should be 4.50 or it should be 4.50 or it should be 4.75 because it nearly. So I will take 4.75 cube. So this will be equal to, it will coming around 107.1 something. So that means already nearly equal to 100. So it is, the value is 4.75. nearest to the 100. Suppose if the problem says nearest to the 10, you have to write 4.8 because 5 is there, cancel 5, add 1 to it. It is 4.8. Now we'll go for the next one more problem. Please see here. So for this problem, cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. So that means our 54 is somewhere between this. So 54 is less than 64 and less than 27. Less than 27. Now cubing both the sides. Throw out the equation. So cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 54 we are going to determine. And cube root of 64 is 4. So it lies between 3 and 4. So draw the scale. So this is 3. This is 3.25. This is 3.5. This is 3.75. This is 4. It's lie between this thing. So it is 54. 54 is close to 54 is close to 64. So if we go for this 3.75 cube, I will go 3.75 cube means 3.75 into 3.75 into 3.75 which is giving me 52.73. 52.73 is almost 54. So this is 3.75 or nearly equivalent to 3.8. Okay, this is the thing. So what we have done today, so estimate the square root to the nearest integer. You know square root of 87 is less than 100, so less than 10. 81 we know it is 9. So it between 9 and 10, how much? Exactly how much? Then you have to go this. Otherwise you know the things. It lies between 9 and 10. So what is that exact value? To find that we are finding this 9.25 square equal to this 87 we got. Around 85.6, around 87. So I have taken this thing. If you take 9.50, it will be more than 87. So nearer number is this. So 20 lies between 16 and 25. So it will be, you see 20 is near to 25. So I am taking 4.50. So it is coming 20.25. That's it. That's the answer. For cube, you have to take the cube. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 125 is 5. So 100 lies between 4 and 5. What is that value? 4.75 cube. What we have taken this 75. Why we have taken this? Because 125 is near to 100. So 25 less. Here 36 less. So here similarly cube equality, then show your work. If you want to show your work, you have to do this. Otherwise, direct method we can do. So this is square root and cube root. Thank you for watching.